Digital classes announcing by Bharati English Academy Shivadbadi, and today I am here for class 9. Topic is our running topic is number system. And in earlier classes I told you how to represent rational number on the number line and how to represent irrational number on the number line. Okay, and also some questions related to the rational and irrational number. Today is our topic is operations on rational number. Operations on real number. Okay, students. So in this video we will teach about the operations on real number, means operations on rational number and irrational number. And dear student, here operations means there are four fundamental operations, okay, in mathematics: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, so in this video we will, you can say we have discussed here addition of rational number and irrational number, subtraction of rational and irrational number, also multiplication, same as division. Okay, student. So first, one by one I am telling this examples of operation. Okay, and you have understood the concept of operations on real number. First, how to add the real number. How to add the real number. Suppose that we want to add 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2 and 4 root 2 minus root 5. Okay, so here you can use you can solve this addition in both ways. You can write in horizontal way and you can write also in vertical way. Okay, so I am telling you only horizontal form here. So first, this we check here. 2 is rational number, root 5 is irrational. 3 is rational, but root 2 is irrational. 4 is rational, root 2 is irrational, and also root 5 is also irrational. So how to add? Because according to definition of real number is a combination of rational and irrational. So now we add the numbers. First, this in this I have write here 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2. Now which operation we have applied here? Addition. So put the sign plus, after that put the next form 4 root 2 minus root 5. Okay. Now we write here we have made the pair of rational numbers which are equal. Okay, means root 5 and root 5. Okay, so first we write in pair 2 root 5 with sign root 5 having negative sign, so we write minus root 5. Okay, next root 2 and 2. Okay, so we write in pair 3 root 2 plus 4 root 2. Now start the what we get. This in there are two ways. You can take the common part, otherwise you can direct solve. Okay, why? Because here root 5 is 2 times and here root 5 is only 1 time. So how much value? So according to this we can write 2 root 5 minus root 5. Okay, so I am telling the common part here. Okay, in this way you can write easily solution. We have taken the common part root 5. So what is remaining here? Here remaining value is 2. Common means we have divided by root 5. Okay, generally you can understand in this way. We have divided by root 5 in both the terms. So what we get? If 2 root 5 divided by root 5, so what is the remaining value? 2. And here we get minus. Are you getting my points? Any problem? If you have getting any problem, so you can write your comment in chat box. Okay. Next, from this pair, which term is common here? So we look here, root 2 is common. So root 2 we have taken the common, and remaining value is here 3 and here is with sign plus 4. Okay, student? Are you getting? Look now. Root 5. What is the remaining value? 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 means 1, and 1 multiplied by root 5, so remains root 5. So I think solution is completed here from this term. Now choose next term. Here you can write if you have done. So write root 5 into 1. Okay, sir. Now take next root 2 multiplied by 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 means 7. So our answer is root 5 plus 7 root 2. Okay, student. And one more thing, how to write the real number? First you write rational number, after that you write irrational number. Understand? In this way you can write the real number. Okay? So in this way you can add the real number. Real number is how to add rational and irrational. Dear student, look here. There is one fact is coming here, which if we add real number, if we add rational and irrational number, so result will come in rational form. In which form? If we have add rational and irrational, so result will be irrational. So note down this fact in your notebook. Okay. For subtraction, I am taking another example. Okay, so easily you can write in your rough notebook, otherwise you can write in your third notebook to understand this concept again. Okay. For subtraction, I am taking another example. Okay, student, look now. Suppose that we have taken here 3 root 3 minus 5 root 2 from 2 root 2 plus 4 root 3. Okay. Means what is saying this question? Subtract this number, this real number from this real number. Okay. So I am again solving this question using the horizontal way. Okay. So first, which term we will write here? Which term we will write here? After the sum, which term is coming here? 2 root 2 plus 4 root 3. So we will write here 2 root 2 plus 4 root 3. And put the operation, put the symbol of minus. Dear friend, one more important rule. If after the minus, mostly, always you have put the bracket. If you write another term. If you are writing another term, so before this term you have put the bracket. Because according to minus sign, this sign change all the symbols. Okay? All the sign you can change one by one. I will tell you now how. 3 root 3 minus 5 root 2. This time you can use here round bracket. You can use here curly bracket, otherwise you can use here square bracket. Okay, no problem. But mostly we have used round bracket. So in round bracket you have write the next term if negative sign comes. Okay. Now it's our first work is how to open the bracket. Okay, according to board master, first we open the bracket. Understand? So 2 root 2 plus 4 root 3 minus, change the sign, because 3 root 3 having positive sign and here is negative sign. And bracket should multiply. So minus into plus. Minus into plus, product is minus. Understand? So 3 root 3. Now minus into minus. Okay. So minus into minus, use plus and put the next value 5 root That's why I am telling you why we have put the bracket. Because if negative sign comes, then it will change the another sign. Okay. So now you start same work according to addition. First we make the pair according to the irrational number. Okay. Which number having equal same irrational form. So here root 2 and root 2. This is a basic form. Okay. So we have choose first pair 2 root 2 plus 5 root 2. Okay. Any problem? With the sign you pick up the numbers. Okay. And put here. Any problem? And you make the pair. Now 4 root 3 minus 3 root 3. Okay. Are you getting? Any problem? Are you getting my points? Now look here. Same as according to addition. Now take the common part here. Common part is root 2. Dear student, one more thing. If any rational number also came here, common part, so you can take easily. No problem. It is not for irrational number. You can take here also rational number as a common part. So which term is remaining here? 2 plus 5. And from this pair, we have took here 4 minus 3. Okay? Are you getting? Now solve it. 5 plus 2, 7 under root 2 plus 4 minus 3. Check here. Positive 4 minus 3. So subtraction 4 minus 3, 1 into root 3. So we get 7 under root 2 plus root 3. That is your solution. Okay. So now one factor again coming from this example. If we subtract rational and irrational number, if we subtract a rational and irrational number, so result come in irrational. Result will be irrational. Understand? So let's now two operations are completed. Now we will solve for multiplication. Okay, student? So how to solve a division of multiplication? Of real number, you can say product of rational and irrational number. Okay. In both ways you can write. Suppose that 2 root 2. Okay. Multiply by 5 root 3. 2 root 2 multiply by 5 root 3. So what is the product? So how to multiply the real number? I am telling you. First, find the product of rational number. Find the product of rational number. So here rational number is 2 and here rational number is 5. So first we multiply the rational number. After that we have multiplied irrational number. Root 2 into root 3. Okay. Same. Now start product 5 to 10 and root 2 into root 3. 3 to 6. So we can write root 6. That is your product. Okay. So in this way you can multiply. In this way you can multiply. But dear friend, one more thing here again. I am taking here all both the numbers are rational number. In previous in videos also. In previous example, I have taken also irrational form. Now I am telling the example of rational and irrational. 3 into root 5. 3 into root 5. 3 into root 5 is a rational number and root 5 is irrational number. So product is 3 and root 5. This is also irrational number. 3 is rational number, root 5 is irrational number, so product will be irrational. But it is not true for all or not? Yes, it is true. For multiplication, if a rational number multiplied by an irrational number, product will be irrational. Okay? But in both sides, irrational to irrational. So may not be, maybe. Maybe or may not be product with irrational or rational. Okay? Right? How? Check here. 2 root 2 into 4 root 2. Look here. Dear student, here both numbers are irrational number. Okay? So how to multiply? First 2 into 4. After that irrational form. The irrational number root 2 into root 2. Now start now. 4 to add root 2 into root 2. We can write root 4, and we know that this is perfect square number. Root 4 is the perfect square number, and which number? This is the square of 2. So we can write value of root 4 is 2. Are you getting my points? So after that we get the product 16, and dear student, product of irrational number to irrational number we get rational number. Okay, so never you can say product of irrational and product of irrational number to irrational number. It is not true for all, not true for all. Okay, sometime it is correct and sometime it is not correct. So you have write only this fact: product of rational number and irrational number will be irrational, but product of irrational to irrational, product of irrational number to irrational number may be and may not be irrational. Okay, are you getting my points? Now for division we will discuss here how to divide the real number. How to divide the real number? So 5 root 3 divided by root 3. Okay. First question. 5 root 3 divided by root 3. So how to find the solution? Look here. You can write 5 root 3 as a dividend and root 3 as a divisor. Here given. And we want to find out the equation. Okay. Dear student, here both the irrational number are same. So in division process, same as we can consider them the root 3 divided by root 3 one time, and remaining value is 5. Yeah, you can use here exponent rule. Okay, you can use also exponent, but in next video I will tell you how to use the exponent rules. Okay, so directly you can write 5 root 3 divided by root 3, so we get 5. Okay. But if different irrational numbers come, so I think you will not use in this manner. Okay, different means next look here, 2 root 5 divided by 2 root 3. 2 root 5 divided by 2 root 3. So what is the equation? So start now, 2 root 5 upon 2 root 3. 2 root 5 upon 2 root 3. Now here rational number is 2 and irrational number 2. So 2 divided by 2 one time. But irrational form. In irrational form, root 5 divided by root 3. Root 5 divided and root 5 divided by root 3. Both are different irrational number. So we can write here root 5 upon root 3 because 2 divided 2 one time. So that is your solution. Okay. Any problem? Yeah, you can write it only one symbol under root 5 upon 3 because in product you have written 2 root 2 into root 3 as root 6. Okay. So in this way you can write in division if on single number come here. So 5 upon 3 and single means this number can be written in form of root 5 upon root 3. I hope you are getting my points. Okay. Now, so these examples are, this is irrational number and this is irrational number. This is also irrational and this is also irrational. So let's check them. Check the example and make the fact. What is saying? These examples are saying if we divide irrational number by irrational, so question will will be rational, and if any irrational number divided by any irrational number, so quotient will be irrational, means both the facts arise. So we can write here one more important thing. In division also, the quotient of irrational number means irrational to irrational, may and may not be irrational, means maybe may not be irrational. Okay, but for rational number, look here, 3 divides by root 3. This is rational, this is irrational. So how to divide 3 divided by root 3? How to divide? Look here this. So we can write here 3 upon under root 3. Now the solution is ready, but we have need to simplify. So what we do? We have write 3 as root 3 into root 3, because we know that root 3 into root 3 equal to 3. So we can write here root 3 into root 3 upon root 3. Now start the division. Root 3 divided by root 3 only one time, and only one time is remaining. So our answer is root 3. So in this fact we can say if any rational number divided by irrational number, so quotient will be irrational. So these are the 4 operations on real number we have studied in this video. Okay, now we will discuss next term. Okay, after some time we are in next video. Okay, but again I am revising your topic, operations on real number, how to operate or how to add real number, how to subtract real number, how to multiply real number, and how to divide real number. And I hope you are getting my points properly.